Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Telegram channel on Telegram. It's very easy. First you can open your Telegram app on your Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. And then this is your Telegram account. If you using Android, you will find the search icon in the top right corner here. And if you using iPhone, you can find it in the bottom right corner. And if you want to search it, you can just simply type it. Let's say I want to search cat, dogs and cats. Let's see. And let's say I want to see this channel, and this is the cat, dogs and cats channel, and you can join by click join here. And maybe if you want to find another channel, you can just type it and search it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.